Now with our sky cam. Is that humidity you can see? Because it practically feels that way out the door this morning.
I know. Some of that fog creeping all the way up into the Providence area this morning. We do have dense fog, especially along the coastline. Now, the real question today is, are we going to hit 90 degrees? We hit 93 on Tuesday, 96 on Wednesday at TF Green Airport. And today I have a forecasted high of 90 degrees. Now, it looks like we should make it to that 90-degree mark. And if we're going to talk about heat wave, let's talk about a 6 or 7 day heat wave. Let's not have this break in the middle, right? So hopefully we do hit 90 today. And I say that obviously with a grain of salt because it is going to be very hot, very humid outside this afternoon, making you feel pretty uncomfortable out there. It'll be our inland locations that end up in that upper 80s and low 90s range later this afternoon. Breeze starts to pick up out of the south. That sea breeze keeps us a little bit cooler for our coastal locations. Low to mid 80s outside for afternoon highs today along the immediate coastline. But we do still have that heat advisory in place today, and that's because it's even more humid today than yesterday. Those dew points are going to be even higher today compared to yesterday, and that's going to still keep our feel-like temperatures around 100 degrees. Our temps outside right now are in the low to mid 70s range to start the day. Average low still about 66 degrees, so we are above that. Average high 84. We've been above that the last few days, more than 10 degrees above that yesterday, and today again topping out around 90 degrees. Now, we haven't broken any records so far. Those records for this week are mainly in the 100-degree range. Our record for today, 102, set back in 1991. We'll hover around 90 degrees today. In the coming days, though, we are back into the mid to even upper 90s range, mid 90s for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, even Monday. We hover around 90 degrees. I have 89 right now. If we hit 90, we're talking about a 7-day stretch of 90 degrees or above as long as we hit 90 today and potentially 90 on Monday. Your breeze is coming in already out of the southwest, 5 miles per hour this morning. The dew points are in the low 70s range to start the day. It's already feeling very muggy out there. And by this afternoon, those feel like temperatures are going to be closer to 100 degrees for our inland spots. So it is going to be a hot and muggy day here in southern New England, around 100 degrees in the Providence area. Same thing in Smithfield. Along the coastline, you're looking at those feel like temperatures just a few degrees cooler, topping out mainly in the mid to upper 80s range as we head through this afternoon. Your satellite radar image shows you dry conditions right now. You'll see hazy sunshine through much of the day once we get rid of that morning fog. There's a frontal system, though, off to our west. It's fizzling right now. With the sunshine, it'll gain a little bit more energy and bring some strong to potentially severe thunderstorms, mainly to our northwest. It does look like the line fizzles out, but you can see where the higher risk of those stronger thunderstorms is just to our northwest. So we'll be watching for that this evening. Hour by hour, hazy sunshine through the afternoon. You can see those thunderstorms popping up to our northwest. Again, kind of fizzling and moving north of us, but the chances there, especially for our inland locations, we'll be back to full sunshine tomorrow, though, and we'll continue to see sunshine through Saturday afternoon. What you're looking at today, about 90 degrees, a warm day and a very humid day outside. The breeze picks up this afternoon. If you are trying to make it a beach day, temps in the low to mid 80s and still a moderate rip current risk. So do be careful outside and use caution if you're getting in the water. 7-day forecast shows temps staying in the low 90s range today, mid 90s for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're looking at temperatures on Monday around 89 degrees.
Well, you said it though, Chelsea. If we're going to be in this long extended heat wave, I mean, 89 is not going to cut it for
exactly.
us.
Let's just hit the 90 today. We'll be close today. Tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, easy, well into the 90s. So try and stay cool. Again, I can't stress it enough. Keep an eye on your vulnerable neighbors, the kids, the pets. The pavement gets so hot. So
it does.
Just be careful and use common sense in this heat.
We're all in this together, right, everybody? All right, Chelsea, thank you.